If your septic tank sludge is messing with your pump operation, it's time to get proactive and keep that system running smooth. So, here's the thing. Septic tanks need regular checkups to stop sludge from clogging up the pump. First off, schedule professional cleanings every 2 to 3 years depending on your household size. Don't ignore the warning signs like slow drains or weird noises from the pump. Keep heavy water use in check because flooding the system can push solids into the pump chamber. Also, avoid flushing anything other than toilet paper and human waste. No wipes, grease, or chemicals. Make sure your drain field stays clear of trees and heavy vehicles to prevent damage. If you have a pumped system, test the alarm regularly to catch pump failures early. Lastly, keep a log of all maintenance and inspections so you know when it's time for service again. One of the biggest mistakes with septic systems is skipping regular maintenance, which lets sludge build up and blocks the pump, causing costly repairs. Fix this by setting up a maintenance schedule with a trusted professional. Another common issue is flushing inappropriate items like wipes or chemicals that clog pumps and kill helpful bacteria. Sticking to flushing only waste and paper solves this. A third problem is ignoring warning signs, such as slow draining or strange noises. Paying attention to these early can save you from a full system failure by getting help fast. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know septic systems inside out. For contractors, it's a great way to find clients who need their skills without wasting time searching.